Well, hello and good day to each and every one of you. My name is Chris Kavaliunas, and I'd like to welcome you to my new YouTube channel, Midwest Gardening for Health. As the name of the channel alludes, within the episodes created for this channel, I'm looking to combine my passion for gardening with my expertise in health management to delve into the many ways gardening and vegetables can improve our health, that is, to include our mind, body, and spirit. Being located in southern Illinois, the fruits and vegetables I will focus on growing are those that will survive and thrive here in the Midwest. I have a wide variety of video interests and feel that this array of video types can easily be intertwined throughout this fascinating subject matter we call gardening. There are 5 main video types that I plan to create for your consumption. First, I want to get my quote-unquote hands dirty while bringing you into my garden and spending some quality time together, planting and caring for the many amazing fruits and vegetables we're able to grow here in the Midwest. Together, we will try some different gardening methods and techniques along the way. As you know, fruits and vegetables have a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. I will tell you more about myself later in the video, but my formal academic studies are in the nursing field. And part of the responsibility of this role is educating the public on how these vital elements affect the body and the benefits of making healthy lifestyle choices. Therefore, secondly, I will sprinkle some of this knowledge into the videos or tease out these facts and present them in separate videos. With that said, the videos provided are not intended to diagnose, treat, or be used instead of consulting your medical doctor. The data conveyed in these videos are for informational purposes only. If you are having a medical concern, you should always consult with your primary care provider. Third, I'll ask you a question. What are we striving toward when we plant a garden? That's correct, a bountiful harvest. I'm looking forward to sharing with you the fruits of our labor, pun intended, and having you by my side as we pick treasures from the garden. Then you may ask yourself, what is the most logical step after the harvesting of fruits and vegetables from the garden? You got it, some yummy in the tummy time. So I'll be bringing you into my kitchen, sharing recipes and preparing dishes utilizing some of these gems we handpicked from the garden. The prior 4 video concepts help outline the ways gardening creates a healthy mind and body. But this 5th video model will align our mind and spirit. We'll spend some tranquil time meditating and contemplating while enjoying a connection with nature outside in the garden. After saying all that, these videos are for you to devour and enjoy. I want to bring you the information that is of the most interest to you. So let me know in the comments if there are any video topics you'd like to see me dive into, create, and upload. You may be asking yourself, who is this dynamite dog on your screen that calls himself Chris? So let me tell you a little bit about me. I believe continuing to expand one's knowledge is one of the best opportunities we have in our lifetime. For that reason, I truly value education and enjoy the learning process, not only as a mentor and educator, but also as a learner. Knowing I wanted to go on this adventure with you, and on top of my own gardening experience, I completed the 13-week Master Gardening course offered by the University of Illinois Extension Office. This course was filled with a lot of great information about almost anything and everything gardening. What I liked most about this course, and all education really, is that I now know what I don't know. This information gives me a roadmap for expanding my knowledge base. With that, you may wonder how I got to this point. Directly after high school, I earned my bachelor's degree in accounting and worked in the business world for 6 years, at which point I started to feel the need for a change. As I hinted at earlier, I'm a registered nurse and have been a nurse for 14 years now. So obviously, my need for change ultimately led me to the nursing field. Here, I have earned my bachelor's and master's degree in nursing, as well as my doctorate in nursing practice. During the pursuit of my DNP, I spent time really getting to know myself, identifying the one word that describes my essence, and articulating my personal mission statement. The one word I found that best describes myself is enrich. This is both enriching others by giving value and being a positive influence on their lives, also enriching myself through learning and by feeding my passions. The driving force behind my one word easily translates to my personal mission, which is to make a dynamic difference in, i.e. enrich, the lives of those around me by inspiring change through education and mentoring. I am so very proud of my accomplishments and earning my doctorate, but one of my favorite memories is sitting on the back porch with my grandparents, eating a fresh tomato that we just picked from the garden. These life experiences were the root catalyst for the blending of my passions to combine gardening and my nursing expertise into this YouTube channel. As caregivers, we typically put the needs of others before ourselves. With my videos, I aim to empower and inspire change in both you and me. For you, by providing compelling and valuable information, and for myself, through a deeper learning of the subject matter and personal accountability as the role model of this information that I present to you. I want to say thank you for joining me for this video and helping to make today an extraordinary day. Until next time, I'm sending peace, love, and light to you, your garden, and all those you hold dear. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.